Hello everyone again. This is the second and last video for today, and this one is for Ruby. And like this first question, I know that she's not going to be the only one. She's the only one who's emailed in about it. I guarantee loads of other people have found this difficult. It's 108,000 divided by 120. And I think, Ruby, the best way we'll do it is using bus stop. We've done it a few different ways. Do you remember we did it through estimating and multiplying? You can do it through long division, but you've not learnt that one yet. So I think we'll do it through bus stop. So first of all, we're going to just write out our 120 times table. 120, 240, 360, 480, 600, 720, 840, 960 and 1080, which you'll notice is got the same digits as our original number. And in the arithmetic test, they never go into remainders when they're using big numbers like this. So once we've done our times table like that, then we need to actually go ahead and do it using bus stop. So we have 108,000 divided by 120, and we just do what we would normally do for bus stop. 120 into 1 goes 0, carry the 1 over, into 10 goes 0, carry it over, into 108 goes 0, carry it over. So now we have 1080, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It goes in 9 times. How many times does 120 go into 0 and into 0? So the answer for this one is 900. Okay. Lots of different ways of doing it, but I think that's probably the best way for you, Ruby, at the moment. Next up, I really like this question. Remember, we did lots of work about converting between decimals, fractions and percentages, and it sounds really weird, this question, but that's all it really is. 10% of a half. And there's a few different ways we could do this. We could turn them both into percentages. We could look at 10% of 50%, because a half, if we convert it into a percentage, is 50%. So 10% of 50%. To find 10%, we just divide by 10. So if we divide that by 10, we get 5%. We could do it another way. We could find 1/10. We could convert this into a fraction. 1/10 of 1/2. And this would really mean the same as multiplying then. So it's just multiplying fractions. So 1/10 times 1/2. 1 times 1 is 1. 10 times 2 is 20. And 1/20 is the same as 5%. So there's probably a third way, which is we could do it using decimals. So we could find 10% of, and we'll turn it into a decimal this time, of 0.5. Remember, finding 10%, we just divide by 10. So 0.5 divided by 10 is 0.05, which is the same as a 20th and the same as 5%. So, Ruby, let's see if you've understood it. Could you have a go at this question here then, please? What is 20% of a fifth? What is 20% of a fifth? And could you email us and let us know what the answer is, or put it on the class blog? Okay. If you need more help, please just ask, and we'll either do it via the blog, by email, or on another video. Your third question was this one here. What percentage of 20 is 19? And I think you can do this one. It's just worded in a really strange way. What percentage of 20 is 19? So it's just the wording, really. But if I turn this into a fraction, what percentage of 20 is 19? So that's 19/20. What percentage of 20 is 19? So 19/20. And the question's asking us to show that as a percentage. Percentage is the same as hundredths. It's exactly the same thing. So if we turn this into hundredths, we'll have our answer. whatever we do to the bottom, we have to do to the top. So you can see at the bottom, we've multiplied it by 5, which means we have to multiply the top number by 5. 19 times 5 is going to be 95. 95 hundredths, which would be 95%. Okay, so really, I think you could definitely have done all of this. It was just the way it was worded. What percentage of 20 is 19? Once you've recognised it as a fraction like this, then you're away. And so again, if you can do that, can you have a go at these two then, please? What percentage of 5 is 4? And what percentage of 50 is 10? If you can have a go at those two, Ruby, plus anyone else who wants to have a go, and let us know on the class blog or via email. Please have a look at the class blog, everyone. Mrs. Sinclair has been writing about the different books that you're reading. We've been writing, we can see which books you've been reading, and we've been checking up on those. So please go on there and let us know what you think about different things. Okay, hope you're all doing well. Hope you're not bored. It looks like we'll have a little while of this to go yet. And please email in whatever it is you're stuck on, and we can go through that again tomorrow. Okay, take care, everybody, and I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, bye-bye.